It was just a pleasure to work with somebody that could look at it and figure it out.
Hey, I'm here with John. We're here in Kootenai, Idaho, just outside of Sandpoint. And we did John's project last year, and we just asked him to share a few details about how the project went. What did you first hear about us?
Well, Jordan, it was you who came up and knocked on my door. We were doing construction. I was building my son's house, Brian, and you had all the right products and all the right answers for what I wanted, and you came up with a super price for me. So I was looking for the quality more than I was the price, and that worked out well. This is my house, and I had built it 2001 to 2003, and this was due for a new roof. We get a lot of wind off the back, off the lake, and that kind of wears it. You had a crew come in here, I think it was about 3 days, ripped everything off, threw it in the dumpster, and did a quick cleanup. They were really quick. They showed up one day, I think the first day, for only 2 or 3 hours in the afternoon. I thought it was the day was done, but nope, they kept working. So real happy with the work.
Why did you hire us? What did you see in us?
But the job got done so quick. Very impressed with the people up there working on it.
What was the highlight of the project of this roof replacement here?
Time frame. We had a squeeze on the time frame, and those guys were in here. I think there was either 5 or 6 of them.
Yep.
There was one overseer out here in the street making sure everybody was doing what they're supposed to be doing, and they just never stopped. They got up here early and worked all day. A super job.
What do you think makes us different? Or
Yeah, whatever problem comes up, you help solve it. That's a big deal.
is that not normal?
No, that's not normal. Most people say, this is my specialty, I do roofing, and that's all I do. Sorry, I can't do that. And you took that on and did it without a question.
Would you recommend us to your friends?
Definitely. Yeah, anybody would ask, say, go to Summit, talk to Jordan, he'll
Yeah.
fix you up.